Guys, nazi indaba ezimnandi for South Africans TikTokers. This is why I get for South African TikTokers, because I'm not on TikTok. It's always amazing. People are like, "Are you serious?" I'm like, "Yes, I have 5 YouTube channels, just not TikTok." They're like, "How?" I'm like, "No, you know what happened? I realized TikTok." And sometimes when I tell them, people who are not even on YouTube, they're like, "Njani, how is that? Oh, TikTok is not paying." I'm like, Mina, my understanding with TikTok, the reason why I don't have it, and twice I've deleted it as an app. And I also don't watch TikTok at all because I don't really have time. Hi, Gabi. I don't really consume it because I don't have time. And by it has taken people's time. I'm like, Mina, I have to put it aside on creating the videos. And what's great is that with me, I come a long way with YouTube. I actually started 3 years ago, was only monetized now. 2 channels are monetized. 3 of them, I'm still working on them. I think the 3rd one should at least monetize now. But we're looking maybe at June, July. So which means I will be left with 2. These 2, I need to work on them. So I was still telling you my reason why I don't have to talk. And I made the decision on my own. I didn't need help for people to tell me, okay, and to TikTok. Although now, chances are I might join TikTok again. I don't even have an account to TikTok at all, but I will do it because I'm just thinking, you know what, I'm going to need it for advertising. I'm going to need it now that they're saying that there's a chance of they will be paying us. And I'm saying, for us, I'm there as well. Let's go back to why I didn't TikTok. A reason that it doesn't pay in TikTok first. Secondly, unless a brand gets me there, and then they will pay me. So I was just like, what's the point giving a 1 million subscribers when something doesn't even pay me? This was my thing. But right now I realize which I actually need it, and I'm going to use it for my advertising. Now that the minister is pushing Gucci, TikTok must actually pay South Africans. He's like, no, they must pay them. He meant YouTube. They need to be paid. They've got a lot of views and all of that. But obviously, I mean, when they start paying you, they'll start paying you from the views that you have at the time they start paying you. That's just my thing that they do on YouTube. YouTube, some of us, we've been on YouTube for 3 years, but we were not paid. We were just paid for the content that we created that particular month when they started paying us. So it's a lot, guys. It's a lot of work, hey? And people think YouTube or TikTok for that matter. So communications minister Usoli Malatsi is pushing guys with TikTok ibhadale. He's like, no, this is so unfair. African countries are not paid. And actually, what's crazy is that South Africans are the ones that are working harder than anyone else. Apparently, guys, I didn't even know this. There's 17 million TikTokers. I was like, what? However, so much, guys, and they're not paid. Yeah, so but it's good news, guys, and nothing from part in those good news. To minister, we are the largest footprint in all African countries. Just imagine, guys. And he even said that Amapiano, for example, you've seen on TikTok how they do well. He was like, how did they see it in the US? How did they see it in other African countries? Because of us. Like, what's the point? When we are bigger than everyone else. No, khona nenhlukumeze khona ngifuna ukusho ngesingisi. Uthi minister nje for him it's economic justice ngeke fanele sihole. Uthi when they had talks in Davos in Switzerland last year, he did tell them ukuthi no fanele bakhokhele ama South Africans when it comes to TikTok. This is just too much now. Like, how does this work? You need to put them in your monetization. Hey, hopefully, guys, it's going to happen soon. Minister further said, you know what? He did explain to them the magnitude of what has happened around TikTok with us South Africans using it, and we are actually not even monetized. And he's hopeful that they did understand him and soon they will be paying. Guys, I guess lapho kancane ngeindaba ze TikTok. So we'll later. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.